Hey y'all, Team Durbin coming at you live here from the trail. Getting ready to finish my last 2 miles. Been here for about 45 minutes. Right now I'm going to tackle this hill right here in front of me. As you guys can see, pretty good sized hill. The goal is to go all the way up that thing, no stopping, and basically not die. Alright, so I'm going to hang on to the phone here, see if we can get this going, and hang on for a ride here. It's our favorite little creek here. Across this. Make sure we don't die doing this. Pretty good view there. Need to get me a GoPro. Alright, heading over here. Going to the trail. A little muddy today. Not too bad. Alright, here's the first staircase right here. Up we go. Tick tock. Oh, go. First staircase. Don't stop. Keep going. We call this TikTok in soccer. Alright, first one done. Gotta recover. Second one right here. Go! Alright, second one. Almost done. Good. Second one. Third one right here. Gotta breathe. Go! TikTok. All the way up. Alright. Last one, right here. Here we go. All right, gonna have to breathe. See at the top. All the way up. All the way. Still going. Gotta breathe. Still breathe. Almost there. Oh God. Alright. There we go. There's the top. Time to recover. Team Durbin out.